disclaimer. It's not the same as what I'm saying here. This thing is so confusing. What's going on? Why am I not getting it? Does your maths feel like this? Confusing, overwhelming? In this very short video, I will be showing you the method that top students use worldwide to study and ace maths and how you can copy it. So stay with us in this video. Step 1.
If 2x minus 3 equals to 11, what is the value of x? 2x minus 3 equals to 11. Now, we are looking for the value of x. For us to get the value of x, we first of all have to collect like times. Now, in collecting like times,
so maths is a skill. It is different from English or any other subject for that matter. You need to have the mathematical skill set in order to ace maths. So you don't watch maths, you don't read maths, you actually work maths. So whilst you are watching videos, which is very good, or studying past questions, which is very good, you need to work it with the teacher, okay, on the tutorial app, okay. You can watch more videos of this on all CBTs, mathematical videos, which are free. But make sure that as you watch and the teacher explains, you are working it by the side. This is the way top students do, that help them understand maths and ace it in their tests. Step 2.
Step 2. Mathematics has a general rule, which is show your workings, okay? Go step by step. Remember in the previous point I said, maths is a skill. It's not like English. So you need to show your workings. You need to take maths problem or maths solution step by step. Don't just jump to the answer or you'll be overwhelmed. And don't try to know the whole textbook, okay, or know the whole topic that was taught for that lesson. So show your workings step by step, like the man in this video.
2x minus 3 equals to 11. In order to eliminate this negative in 3, we will add 3 to both sides. Now, if we are adding 3 to both sides, we are going to have 2x minus 3 plus 3 equals to 11 plus 3. Now, 3 minus.
So you can see from that short video that the mathematical tutor showed his workings, break it step by step. Your brain likes small wins, so give it to it, then it will show more interest in the subject. Step 3. Use the Feynman technique. What's the Feynman technique? It is explaining something simply to the level of a child or a dog. It's often said, if you cannot explain it simply, you probably don't understand it. Like in this case, I don't have a dog, but I have someone I can explain my maths to. Probably you will understand. King David, hello. Do you understand quadratic formula? Let me show you. No, he's pressing the calculator. He doesn't seem to get what I'm talking about. But you get the whole idea. You need to try to make it simple enough that while explaining it to your friend, a toddler, a child, it would give you more understanding of the subject. Say hello to King David once more. Young man. Alright. Unfortunately, many of our maths teachers in school don't really know maths. They cannot explain it well. So if you cannot explain maths well, how do you prove that you really know maths? So in this case, if you are facing such a challenge where your maths teacher in school is not giving you the vibe of maths, making maths so simple and sweet, you probably need to check out CBTs where we have experienced maths tutors or even other tutorial centers online where you can get maths at the level you can understand. Alright? Then step 4, we have solve problems using a timer. Okay? What that simply means is time yourself. It also helps with your speed. So time yourself. For example, I have 2 minutes to solve this problem. So what do? I time myself. I can use my phone timer or I can use my wristwatch. You can also use apps like All CBT. You can see the link in the description to download our app where you can get simulators to mathematical questions and practice as many as you like for free. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take add 3 to both sides. Alright, so 2x. I'm almost running out of time. I've got to hurry. Yes, I was right on time. Step 5, study a little every day instead of cramming or trying to read or go through the whole 50 questions. Now I'm studying a past question, okay? And there are often 50, sometimes more, in a past question for each year. So what do? You don't need to study the whole 50. If it's 5 problems, you can take 5 problems per time and break them into the steps we've spoken about earlier. And then you discover that easy peasy, you're understanding maths. Okay, if you want to now know more about that particular problem, you can now make reference to this topic in the maths textbook, where you see lots of other several examples, from simple ones to complex ones. Try yourself on these examples and you will be becoming a genius at maths. Alright, in summary, what we've learned today, the 5 points. Don't just watch maths, practice maths. Don't take so many problems at a time, take it in bits. Take maths step by step, practice maths with a timer or a simulator, and try to teach maths to your friend or somebody so lower to you. That way, you understand maths better. Now, like I said before, in the link in the description is a direction to download our apps where you can practice on iOS, on Android, and even on your computer system. So you really have no excuse. Remember not to beat yourself if you are hard at maths, or next time you score 0 or something a little bit better in maths. Don't beat yourself. What you just simply need to do is take your exam script and begin to work on those problems, such that when the next test comes, oftentimes there will be a few questions from the past in the current. You would have had some new insights and then you will ace it. I'm sure you liked this video and enjoyed our drama. Make sure you hit the like button, suggesting that you do, and hit the subscribe button so that when next I release this, which is often in 24 hours, you'll be notified by YouTube, and then we can enjoy ourselves together. See you in the next one. Bye.